We are cloudy but dry across northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio as we wind down the weekend. That dry weather is expected to continue over the next several hours and into Monday morning. You can see, in fact, a few breaks in the clouds overnight. It's going to be a partly to mostly cloudy sky. We'll call it mostly cloudy as we head out the door tomorrow with low temperatures bottoming out in the mid-20s. Around average for this time of year with wind chill values, though, down in the mid-teens. Now, let's talk about Monday. We do have the chance for some freezing rain primarily along and north of US 6 tomorrow during the late morning and early afternoon hours. You can see that winter weather advisory posted for our northernmost counties, Elkhart, LaGrange, and Steuben. Now, for the rest of us, this is looking like primarily a rain event. Let's take a look at our temperatures here in Fort Wayne, where this is expected to be primarily a rain event once it reaches us. You can see temperatures rising above freezing by lunchtime in the afternoon. You start to see those rain chances increase as we rise into the upper 30s. You can see our rain chances peaking in the evening, early nighttime hours there, around 40%, as our temperatures are at its warmest across the region in the mid to upper 30s across northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio. Now, up towards the Indiana-Michigan state line is where we will see temperatures hovering near or below freezing into the early afternoon hours, and we could see an isolated freezing rain shower. Our future tracker struggling to pick that up. There is a bit of a question of when we will be able to overcome some dry air, how quickly we will be able to overcome that dry air, but you can see that purple there mixing in around 3 o'clock. That indicates the chance for some freezing rain up near Angola, near the Indiana Toll Road. Now, around 4 o'clock, that winter weather advisory expires. Temperatures are expected to rise. Roadway temperatures expected to rise above freezing, and we see a transition primarily to rain. Now, the future track does mix in a couple of snowflakes there, primarily along and north of US 24 during the evening as that rain moves from north to south. But again, this is expected to be primarily a rain event for our region, with temperatures being above freezing at this time. Look at our afternoon highs, 38 in Fort Wayne. Down south, we will be flirting with the 40s, but up near LaGrange and Angola is where temperatures will be sitting in the mid-30s. Again, our best chance for some ice accretion. That is where we have that winter weather advisory posted. We could see a thin glaze of ice along and north of US 6, perhaps presenting a few hours of difficult travel there during the early afternoon hours. Now, once we thaw out, we dry out temporarily on Tuesday. Temperatures rise into the 40s for our Christmas. It is looking like perhaps a wet Christmas for many of us. I've got the full details coming up in your hometown forecast tonight at 10 on Fox 55 News.